Advanced Discovery.
The Sapphire team only had 8 players, but
And we'd like to thank our sponsor. And I will.
now the second place team who fought down to the end and was in the playoffs was the first place team, the Royal Blue Superstars. Coached by Victor Manella.